Hey guys, BG Rides. Welcome back to the channel. Gonna go out for a quick Halloween ride. Not exactly sure where we're gonna go, but I get to ride that gorgeous bike right there. And maybe Redondo Beach. It's actually really cool. Go down there, have a drink, fly the drone around a little bit. But
you need him and you to just get on the bike together 5 miles an hour up and down right here.
Yep.
And just totally relax and enjoy time with your husband, because you know what? I know there's times he does things with you he may not want to do.
Yeah, that's right.
This is just like 10 minutes up and down the road on a beautiful day so he can feel you around him.
Yep.
That way when he's on the road, he's thinking of you right here in his heart and right there with him.
Oh no, I am too, Lee.
See? This will do it even more.
I got a helmet for you.
Is that on me?
Oh no,
Never.
it's on us. All right, this is Redondo. Look at this.
Yeah.
Isn't that just so cool? So this is Redondo down on the water. Right there's Redondo, right? Or Salty's right there, but they're closed. The COVID thing. Anyway, I'm gonna take the drone. We're gonna fly out over the water. Hello, big guy. That's like a horse.
Yeah, pretty much. Kind of a pier too. It goes all the way to like those buoys that you'll see really far down there.
Yeah.
It's a pretty big dive site.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So what's out there? I mean, what do you go see?
I mean, our goal is pretty much always octopus, but we don't always find them. There's tons of crabs and fish out there. You can definitely see a lot of like invertebrates, sea stars, and cucumbers.
Oh, that's
Pretty much
cool.
everything, yeah.
Right on. Have fun.
Thank you.
You're funny. I know we've been friends for a long time, but leave the rod between your legs.
Sings to my shoulder. Oh, babe, don't know what I'm gonna do.
There's Anthony's.
There you go.
We're gonna have a beer, by God. You got Des Moines Marina down here. Really cool marina, not that big, but very cool. And then you got Anthony's sitting right here. We're gonna go have a beer. We're ready. Woohoo. Oh, thank you, thank you. Hi guys. Yeah. Is this it?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah, it is. I don't know if you can see the sailboat way the hell out there, but
We just backed into something.
yeah, he backed into a sailboat. Now he's trying to go backwards. Okay guys, thanks for watching. We're getting out of here. We're down here at Redondo's. We finished our beer. We are going back.
Yep.
And see you on the next ride. Yeah.
Yeah.
Adios.
Bye, everybody.